Food is an integral part of any culture, and it's incredible how each region has its own unique flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques that have been passed down through generations. So buckle up and get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we dive into the traditional foods from different countries. Number 7. Italian Delights. Our first stop takes us to the picturesque land of Italy, where food is a true celebration of life. Italian cuisine is renowned worldwide for its simplicity and emphasis on fresh ingredients. One of the most iconic dishes is, of course, pasta. From creamy carbonara to savory bolognese, Italian pasta comes in a wide array of shapes and flavors. And let's not forget about the beloved pizza, which originated in Naples. The crispy thin crust, topped with tomatoes, mozzarella, and various ingredients has become a global sensation. While pizza and pasta are the most traditional Italian food dishes, there are so many more classic Italian cuisines you can try out. These traditional Italian food dishes vary from one region to another. For instance, the popular American Italian dishes are believed to come from the southern region of Campania and Sicily Island just off the southern coast, while others are believed to originate from the north. In some cases, the dishes end up being named after the region of its origins. Number 6. A taste of Asia, sushi and curry. Now let's travel to Asia, where flavors explode in a symphony of spices and textures. In Japan, sushi takes center stage. This artful dish combines vinegared rice with various ingredients like fresh fish, vegetables, and seaweed. Each piece is meticulously crafted to create a harmony of flavors. I'm pretty sure sushi is one of those internationally loved foods you'll find almost everywhere. And though you might not think to make it yourself, I highly recommend giving it a go. Most of the work in this recipe goes into the rice, and even that's pretty easy to make. If sushi is something you love, you'll enjoy being able to make it at home and save money. On the other hand, in countries like India and Thailand, curry is a culinary masterpiece. From creamy coconut-based Thai curries to the rich and aromatic Indian curries, these dishes showcase the intricate blending of spices that's unique to each region. Number 5. Korean Bibimbap. For some reason, authentic Korean recipes aren't as popular in America as some of the other Asian cuisines. Many people know nothing about it outside of Korean barbecue, and some don't even know that. This Korean Bibimbap is a unique and delectable introduction to the world of Korean cuisine. It takes some time to pull together, but it's worth it. It's ridiculously flavorful, features tender, juicy steak, and has plenty of hearty veggies as well. The sauce is also amazing, and you'll want to put it on everything. The verb bibim refers to the act of mixing different ingredients together. Combined with the noun bap, which refers to rice, the mouth-watering idea of bibimbap is born. As can be seen from its name, bibimbap is a dish that combines rice, vegetables, meat, sesame oil, and gochujang in a single bowl to be eaten with a spoon and chopsticks. It is now one of the most well-known names in Korean cuisine. Number 4. Spices of the Middle East. Our next destination is the Middle East, where spices and herbs play a pivotal role in creating unforgettable dishes. Spices and herbs are the foundation of any delicious Middle Eastern meal. In fact, they are what makes Middle Eastern food unique. Here you will find the most commonly used herbs and spices in this cuisine, along with some recipes so you can start experimenting. Spices such as turmeric, nutmeg, and cumin are popular in Middle Eastern cuisine. Salt and pepper are the basic ingredients used to start the spice blend. Sumac, caraway, and saffron are used for special dishes. Other spices such as cardamom, chili peppers, cinnamon, and anise are used for authentic Middle Eastern flavor. The fennel flower, ras el hanout, and ufra biber are not common. However, they too are used to make some distinct tasting meats, stews, and rices. Hummus, a creamy blend of chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, and spices, is a staple in many Middle Eastern countries. Another highlight is falafel, made from ground chickpeas or fava beans, and usually served in pita bread with fresh vegetables and tahini sauce. And of course, we can't forget the mouth-watering kebabs, grilled to perfection and often accompanied by fragrant rice. Number 3. Latin American Fiesta. Now let's move to the vibrant and colorful world of Latin American cuisine. Latin American cuisine is known for its diverse variety of dishes incorporating spices, as well as cultural influences from lands both near and far away. Many dishes of the Latin American culture first originated in that native country specifically and from other places or cultures of origin, such as Africa, Europe, Native American, and Asia. In Mexico, tacos steal the show with their versatile fillings and salsas. From street vendors to upscale restaurants, tacos are a beloved treat for all. In Brazil, a traditional dish called feijoada takes the spotlight. It's a hearty black bean stew with various cuts of pork, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that reflect the country's diverse culture. Traditional indigenous cooking is a major influence in nearly every Latin American dish. The ingredient pillars, corn, beans, and squash, also known as the Three Sisters, were grown together as a way for each plant to support the other. The corn serves as a pole for the beans. The beans create nitrogen and strengthen the corn against the wind, and the squash prevents moisture in the soil from evaporating and improves crop survival in dry months. Much like the ingredients in the Latin American kitchen, the origin stories too have a symbiotic relationship where food and history meet. Number 2. European indulgences. Our culinary journey wouldn't be complete without exploring the indulgent treats of Europe. France, for instance, is famous for its delicate pastries like croissants and macarons. These delicate creations require precision and patience, resulting in heavenly bites of flaky goodness. Moving to Spain, the world of tapas awaits. These small, flavorful dishes are perfect for sharing and experiencing a variety of tastes in one meal. You can't get any more British than fish and chips. And although they're popular all over the British Isles and are one of the most popular foods in the world, London is the place to get some of the finest examples of the art. Brits have been eating fish and chips since the 17th century, when Sephardic Jews brought their recipe for fried fish to British shores. Simultaneously, strips of potato cooked in oil were becoming a popular snack. The two were added together in a match made in heaven, and British cooking received its signature dish. It's a meal which has been beloved ever since. The British government even made sure that supplies of fish and chips didn't run low during 2 world wars, as it was considered that it would be too detrimental to morale if it ran out. The ideal fish and chips has moist fish cooked in a light batter, with chips which are slightly browned, but not too greasy. Coating the whole lot in salt and vinegar is traditional, though smothering it in ketchup or curry sauce is equally acceptable. If you're in London, visit the Golden Union Fish Bar in Soho for traditional fish and chips, expertly cooked. You won't be disappointed. Number 1. African culinary treasures. Our final stop takes us to the diverse continent of Africa, where traditional foods reflect the rich history and cultural heritage of each region. In Ethiopia, injera, a spongy flatbread, is the cornerstone of every meal. It's often served with a variety of stews and dips, making it a communal and flavorful experience. In West Africa, jollof rice takes the spotlight, a one-pot wonder filled with rice, vegetables, and a burst of spices. Given that the first barbecue might well have taken place in Africa, this is a continent that can arguably claim to have invented cooking. But African dishes, especially those south of the Sahara, are still woefully underrepresented on the world culinary scene, from the humble maize or grain porridges and root vegetables that form the basis of so many diets, to grand feasting dishes such as biryans, tagines, stews, and aromatic curries. Africa's favorite foods offer something for every palate. Please subscribe to Travel the World. Thank you for watching.